here we have a sage plant. This particular cultivar we're looking at has a solid green leaf, but there are variegated cultivars. So some other things this plant has going for it: very highly aromatic leaves. I mean, it smells so delicious. Another unique thing about this plant is that it's in bloom right now. You can see it has a beautiful purple bloom, and so this plant, really isn't valued highly for its bloom, but it does have a gorgeous purple bloom in the summertime. Another neat thing about this plant is that it's in the same family as salvias and mints, and you can tell because when you roll this newest growth, this soft tender growth in your fingers, the stem is four-sided, and that's an indicator that it falls into that family. As far as mature plant size, we're probably looking at somewhere between 18 and 24 inches tall, and it has more of a sprawling habit. Sage plants don't really have any prominent pests or diseases of note, but we can tell on this particular plant. I'm going to show you a little bit of feeding damage that we've had from probably whiteflies. Any kind of insect that has the piercing type mouth parts could create this type of feeding pattern that we call stippling. But again, not a huge pest, nothing that's going to warrant control. So a couple of notes about siting in the garden. This plant really loves full sun and excellent drainage in the soil, okay? We don't want to put this anywhere that's a low-lying area that collects water or has a heavy soil structure, like a very heavy clay. And it also helps this plant overwinter. It is a perennial, so it's going to come back for you year after year in the garden as long as it has good drainage and full sun site conditions.